molality. So what is molality? The number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent is called molality. So what is molality, students? The number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram or 1000 grams of solvent is called molality. So molality equal to number of moles present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Number of moles per kg. Number of moles n. So number of moles to n. Since n equal to weight by gram molecular weight. For example, this is a kilograms. So number of moles weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by a kilograms. This is molality. Molality equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by a grams. Molality is denoted by the letter small m. It is denoted by small m. So it is denoted by m. So where W equal to weight of solute, A equal to weight of solvent. It is independent. It is independent of temperature. This is molality. So what is molality, students? The number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. It is called molality. It is denoted by the letter small m. So here molality equal to number of moles per kilograms case. So number of moles weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by a kilograms. So molality equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by a grams. Where W means weight of solute, A means weight of solvent. It is independent of temperature. Okay. First problem, calculate the molality of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid. So ethanoic acid CH3COOH. Ethanoic acid in 75 grams of benzene. Here there are two weights, 75 grams, 2.5 grams. Which is solute? 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid is solute. 75 grams of benzene is solvent. So here given the weight of solute equal to how much, students? 2.5 grams. Weight of solvent equal to 75 grams. Gram molecular weight of ethanoic acid CH3COOH equal to 60. Therefore molality small m equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by a grams. Weight of solute 2.5 by gram molecular weight 60 into 1000 by weight of solvent 75. So 0 2.5 by 60 2.5 plus 16 equal 0.0417 into 1000 plus 75 13.33. 13.33. So finally we get the answer is 0.556. Molarity. What are the units of molarity? Moles per kg or molar. Moles per kg or mol. So this is molarity of this solution. Second problem. An antifreeze solution is prepared from 222.6 grams ethylene glycol and 200 grams of water. What is salt? Calculate the molarity of the solution. So here weight of solute 222.6, weight of solvent A 200 grams. Calculate the molarity of the solution. So here given that weight of solute equal to 222.6 grams, weight of solvent equal to 200 grams. Next one, gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight of ethylene glycol CH2 OH equal to 2 carbons, 2 into 12 plus 4 hydrogens and 2 hydrogens, 6 hydrogens, 6 into 1 plus 2 oxygens, 2 into 16 equal to 12, 2 24 plus 6 plus 13, 2 equal to 2, 1, 62. So 62 gram molecular weight of ethylene glycol 62. Therefore molarity small m equal to, what is the formula for molarity? Weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by A grams. Weight means weight of solute 222.6 by gram molecular weight of ethylene glycol 62 into 1000 by A 200. 257. So all the values are cancelled. Now the answer is 17.95. So this is molarity of the solution. Problem 3. Calculate the mass of urea required making 2.5 kilogram of 0.25 molar aqueous solution. So calculate the mass of urea. So molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by A grams. So here mass of urea W. So W and molarity equal to 0.25 m. GMW of urea equal to 60. Nitrogen 14 plus 14 28, 2 hydrogens 4 plus carbon 12, oxygen 16. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gram molecular weight of urea equals 16. Therefore, molarity 0.25, weight by gram molecular weight of urea 60 into 1000 by A 2.5 kilograms. Therefore, weight equal to 0.25 into 60 into 2.5 by 2 3s are 257. So weight equal to 37.5. So this is molarity of the solution. mass of urea is weight. Calculate the weight of urea. So gram molecular weight of urea equal to 60 and A equal to 2.5 kilograms. So molarity 0.525 into equal to weight by gram molecular weight 60 into 1000 by 2.5. Therefore, so now weight equal to 0.25 into 60 into 2.5 by 1000 equal to 37.5 grams. So mass of urea equal to how much? 37.5 grams. Normality. What is normality, students? The number of gram equivalents. The number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is called normality. It is denoted by capital letter N. So here normality is the number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. It is called normality. It is denoted by the letter N. That means normality N equal to number of gram equivalents. Number of gram equivalents per volume in liters. Volume in liters. So normality N equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by V m. Or normality equal to weight by gram equivalents into 1 by V. This is normal. So how to calculate equal weights? So equal weight for acid. Equal weight for acid equal to molecular weight by basicity. Acids means basicity, base means acidity. So equal weight for acid equal to molecular weight by basicity. What is basicity? The number of replaceable hydrogen atoms by metal ions in a molecule of an acid is known as basicity. Basicity means the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms. For example, equal weight of HCl. Equal weight of HCl equal to atomic weight of HCl by basicity. Atomic weight of HCl, hydrogen 1, chlorine 35.5 equal to 36.5 HCl. So 36.5 by number of replaced hydrogen atoms 1. So equal weight of HCl equal to 36.5. So equal weight of H2SO4. Equal weight of H2SO4 equal to molecular weight of H2SO4 or atomic weight of H2SO4 98 by. So number of replaced hydrogen atoms 2, 98 by 2. So equal weight of HMO3 equal to 63, molecular weight of HMO3 63 by number of replaceable hydrogens 1. So this is equal weight for acids. So equal weight for acids equal to molecular weight by basicity. So here number equal weight of H3PO4 equal to, so H3PO4 phosphorus is pentavalency OH. So here number of hydrogens present in OH, so weak, that means number of hydrogens is 3. So atomic weight of H3PO4, its hydrogens 3 into 1, atomic weight of phosphoric acid equal to 3 into hydrogens 1 plus phosphorus 15, 31, plus 4 into oxen 60. 3 plus 31 plus 60 equal to 8 to 90. So 98 by number of replaced hydrogens. Here phosphoric acid. So number of hydrogens present in OH group. So 1, 2, 3. 98 by this is equivalent weight. Equivalent weight for base. Equivalent weight for base means, so here equivalent weight for base equal to molecular weight by acidity. Molecular weight by acidity. Acidity means number of OH groups. Number of OH groups present in a molecule. It is known as acidity. That means equivalent weight of NaOH equal to molecular weight of NaOH by number of OH groups. Molecular weight of NaOH 40 by number of OH groups 1. So this is equivalent weight for NaOH. For example, equivalent weight for CaOH twice equal to molecular weight of CaOH twice by number of OH groups. Molecular weight of CaOH calcium 20, atomic weight 40, hydrogen 1, oxygen 8, 16. So atomic weight or molecular weight of CaOH twice equal to calcium 20 into 2 is 40 plus 2 into 2 oxygens 16 plus 2 into hydrogen 40 plus 32 plus 2 70 74 means equivalent weight of CaOH twice equal to 74 by number of OH groups. This is equivalent weight for CaOH twice. Next one, equivalent weights of salt. So here equivalent weight of salt equal to molecular weight of salt. Molecular weight of salt by total charge of cation on anion. Cation on anion. For example, common salt NaCl. Equal weight for NaCl equal to sodium 23. That means molecular weight of NaCl by number of cations on anion. NaCl is dissociates Na plus and Cl minus. Number of cations on, number of anions on. So equivalent weight of NaCl equal to molecular weight of NaCl sodium 23 plus chlorine 35.5 equal to 58.5. So 58.5 by 1. Number of cations are anions. This is equivalent weight for NaCl. Equivalent weight for Na2CO3 equal to molecular weight of Na2CO3 106 by number of cations. Na2CO3 is dissociates 2 Na plus ions and CO3 minus 2. So this is number of cations to number of anions by equal to 50. This is equivalent weight for Na2. Equivalent weight of oxidizing or reducing agent. Equivalent weight of oxidizing agent or reducing agent equal to molecular weight of oxidizing agent or reducing agent by changing oxidation state. For example, equivalent weight of KMnO4. So equal weight of K1O4 equal potassium permanganate. So molecular weight of potassium permanganate 158 by number of oxidation states MnO4. MnO4 minus is converted to Mn plus 2 according to stoichiometric oxidation or reducing. So Mn means Mn equal to X, say X plus 4 into oxygen minus 2 equal to minus 1. X minus N equal to minus 1. X equal to 7. Manganese plus 7 to plus 7 to plus 2. That means charge of the electrons are 5. That means oxidation state changes oxidation state is 5. Next, ferrous FeSO4 equal weight of ferrous sulfate equal to molecular weight of ferrous sulfate 152 by Fe plus 2 is converted to Fe plus 3. Charge of electrons are 1. So 152 by 1. This is equal weight of oxidizing or reducing agents.